Tonight we're eating venison heart. Steve, have you ever eaten venison at all?
Can't say that I have.
Steve's gonna try venison heart for the first time, and I'm gonna show you my favorite way to cook venison. So you can see we've basically opened it up to two sections, right? So it creates three flaps. So we have the large flap here, we have the small flap here, and then we have this other area in between, and that's basically how we've separated all this out. So now we're just trying to clear out all the junk that's in it. The next thing we want to do is we just want to get all the blood that's in there out of there. So we're just going to take this, rinse it. There are only two ingredients in the entire world that you need on any piece of meat, and that is salt and pepper. To the other side, salt it again. If I was at home, I might pat this dry, but we're cooking this over fire. Now we cover this pepper. Pepper on the inside. Okay.
Deer fat?
So I know I just took fat off of this, okay? But this is a very different kind of fat. It's called Caul fat.
Okay.
And what it is it's like crazy thin. Do you see how thin that is?
Yeah, that's
right.
Rendered.
And so what it does is it basically boils. And I did actually wash this when I got home because it comes out like really gross,
okay.
like out of a deer.
Right.
So I washed it before I brought it here. The cool thing about it, other than the fact that I'm still finding hair on it, which is always the issue, is that, I mean, you can see it just falls apart, right? And so we're gonna wrap this here, come around the back, so. And it doesn't have to look pretty, because it's gonna roast real pretty.
Ooh. I'll take that. That's gonna be nice. That's gonna be so nice. Wow.
All right. What would you say that smells like?
Oh, I don't know. I've never smelt something so good.
I think it smells like a cross between steak and bacon.
Mm.
Like if you've ever wrapped steak
Right.
with bacon, this smells better.
Right.
In my opinion. Here's the next test. Can we cut this with a plastic knife?
I would say so.
That's how tender it is.
That's pretty awesome.
Isn't that amazing? And then we get to the inside, and it looks like this.
Now, I don't know what venison is supposed to look like
Yep.
when it's perfect, but that looks nearly perfect.
Yeah, this is pretty amazing. So, one thing I will say is that there were thicker and thinner parts of the fat. So I'm not suggesting that you eat every piece of like the fat that's on here. It was more of a mechanism to cook it with,
right.
if that makes sense. There you go. That's your very first bite right
Very
there.
first. Do you want to have it with me or just
Oh no,
mine?
No. I want you to try this. Honest reaction.
That's awesome.
Is it good?
It almost tasted like you put like sea salt on it, but you obviously didn't.
No, I did. I put sea salt.
Oh, was that sea salt?
Yeah.
That's what I take.
Okay.
Yeah, no, that is pretty awesome.
Yeah.
That is.
Are you lying to me right now?
No, that's really good. Are you gonna eat the rest of that?
I am gonna eat some of it, yeah.
That is really good.
The first venison heart. Takeaways?
Very, very interesting. Very good. Very tender. Obviously flavorful. I mean, you don't really need a lot.
No.
Like, oof.
I think the fat on the outside really adds a lot of like,
Right.
because like normally it's supposed to be really irony.
Okay.
And I don't know if you can taste it, but like it doesn't taste very irony right now, does
No.
it? It tastes like something that got cooked in fat,
Right.
which it did, except it did it over a fire.
How old were you the first time you had venison heart?
Probably 32.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not like, I've had a lot of venison hearts, but I didn't grow up on any of this stuff. I grew up a vegetarian.
Right.
So success?
Success.
All right. Thank you for watching this episode of Wild Generation. Go out, get some venison hearts, and enjoy it over a fire. Cheers.
Cheers.
Good. It is good.
That's good.
It's really good.